Good morning, children. This is your English teacher here. We are going to learn the use of am, is, are in this class. Hope that everyone remember the previous topics which we have discussed. Now let us move towards the usage of am, is, are. Where do we use them? When we think of these words, the first thing which comes in mind is am. Am is used always with I, isn't it? Everyone knows that every time am follows with I. So here some of the examples based on am. What's that? First one, that is I am a student. If you are describing about yourself, that it is I am a student. Then coming to second one, I am reading a book. Isn't it? You are reading a book. The third example, it is I am playing. Isn't it? In this way we use word am. Am. Remember one thing, that whenever you are speaking about yourself, you can speak like using I am. If you are introducing yourself or speaking about yourself, sometimes. Mostly we use I, but sometimes we use I am. And am is used for singular person, only one person, that too ourselves. Now moving to our next topic, that is use of is. Where we are using the word is. We use word is for singular person, that is either male or female, or either a living things or for non-living things. Is used for singular thing, for singular object. So here are some of the examples based on he, she and it. Now moving towards it. What is that? He. First one is he. First example is he is a journalist. He. The word he we can use either for a boy or a man. He is used either for a man or a boy. So here he is a journalist. You are introducing him to others. He is a journalist. Second one, he is a teacher. He is a teacher. Third one, he is my cousin. And remember one thing, children, that whenever you are specifying like cousin, so it never be followed with a sister cousin or brother cousin. Cousin is itself a plural word. So you cannot say like cousin brother, cousin sister. You should only say like cousin. He is my cousin. Now moving towards the next topic, that is she. She is also used for singular person. So here word she is used for girls and women. She is used either for a woman or a girl. It is not used for boys or men's, because we are using the word he to refer them. Now, some examples on these. She is a pilot. Isn't it? We are saying that she is a pilot. Second example. She is a dancer. Then third one is she is a painter. So here these are some of the examples which we have learned today. The remaining we shall learn in our next class. Thank you.